Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Leah. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. My niece was watching me do my purple pastel look. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it above right here for you guys. But she was watching and she really wanted me to do her makeup, so that's what we're doing today. She didn't have any of her own makeup, as you can tell from the title, so I had to use all my own makeup, everything except the foundation. She did have that, which I'm putting on right now. Other than that, I had to do what I did. I am not a makeup artist whatsoever, so this was all trial and error. So please bear with me. Hope you guys enjoy. I put this on thinking I would like it, but it just didn't work for me. It wasn't bright enough, so I went in with a second concealer that was brighter to make her highlight more prominent. I set this with the darkest side of my Sun Bunny bronzer from Too Faced. And then I used the darkest shade in the Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit to contour her face. I didn't show me putting on the contour, but this is me blending it out. We also did her eyebrows off camera, by the way. Then I'm setting her contour that I did with the Cocoa Naughty bronzer from Fenty Beauty. And then I'm going to spray her entire face with the FARSÁLI 24 Gold Skin Mist to take away that powdery look that's left over when you set your face. And then I'm going to prime her eyelids with this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer in the color Eden. And then we're going to go into this Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions palette. It's the Nude Rich one in the line, and we're going to use that matte pink in the middle. But it wasn't busting for me either, so that's why we went into the Neon palette from Huda Beauty and used that nude pink. In all honesty, they're probably the same pink, just in two different palettes, but we're just not going to talk about that. I got a better color payoff when I did them both together, and that's all that matters. Then we're going to use this pink shimmer from the Nude palette and go lightly over her lid again, just because matte is way too boring. Here I'm just blending out the edges of her eyeshadow with that matte tan color. We're using this Urban Decay highlighter in the shade Aura to highlight her face, and I used the SMASHBOX primer water to wet my brush before I dipped it in the highlighter, so we got a better payoff of glow, because y'all know I really love glow, like a lot. Anyway, we set her face with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray, and then we use the Sephora lip gloss in the color Tan Lines. You've been here a while, you know that's my favorite ever. I attempted to do her mascara with the Laura Mercier, but it didn't work out for me, so she had to do that herself. We use this hot pink shimmer from the Neon palette to do her inner corner highlight. We did her eyeliner off camera. I did a wing with the E.L.F. Intense Ink eyeliner and then overlapped it with Techno Beat from Baywatch and the Fenty Beauty trio. Next, we're going to use this color back in the Huda Beauty Nude palette and just do her bottom lash line to kind of tie her eyes all the way together. This was the finished look overall. I was actually very happy with it. We both looked really pretty this day. please go check out my purple pastel look if you haven't already. As always, the name of every product I used in order is down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and check out what else is around. See you guys in my next video. Bye!